Worried about the Winmm Multimedia DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. This DLL file is the Windows Multimedia API library. It provides high-level functions for playing audio, controlling MIDI devices, and managing precise timing intervals required by media playback and gaming. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. When a core file like the Winmm Multimedia DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Winmm multimedia file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like the Winmm Multimedia DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing the Winmm Multimedia. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Windows OS Core working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.